Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In the previous video, we had discussed about phylum Coelenterata, and in this video, we are going to discuss about phylum Ctenophora. Phylum Ctenophora is sometimes also known as phylum Anidaria due to the absence of nidoblast or stinging cells. This phylum is sometimes also known as comb jellies and sea walnuts. Talking about their habitat, these animals are exclusively marine, which means that there are no members which are freshwater organisms. Now the general characteristics are similar to phylum Coelenterata, which means these are acoelomates with two germ layers, that is they are diploblastic and show a tissue level of body organization. Talking about symmetry, like phylum Coelenterata, they also have radial symmetry, but a special name is given to their symmetry, which is also known as biradial symmetry. That is, there are two planes which divide the body into two equal halves. Now, nidoblasts are absent in almost all the members except a ctenophore named as Euchlora rubra. Euchlora rubra. This is a member of class phylum Ctenophora in which nidoblasts are present. Talking about their digestion, they have an incomplete digestive tract. Incomplete digestive tract means that there is only a single opening which acts as both mouth and anus, and digestion is both intracellular as well as extracellular. Intracellular as well as extracellular, which is similar to class Coelenterata. Talking about reproduction, reproduction takes place by mostly sexual means. Mostly there is sexual reproduction. Now these organisms are usually monoecious. Monoecious means that the male and female reproductive parts are present in the same animal, that is they are hermaphrodites, and fertilization is external, which means fertilization takes place outside the body of the animal. Now, and development is indirect, that is a larval stage is present which does not resemble the adult. Indirect development means there is a larval stage present which does not represent the adult. Now, why are they known as comb jellies? It is due to the presence of comb plates. These comb plates are external plates, that is they are present on the external body, external plates with cilia, external plates with cilia. So a cilia plate will appear something like this. There is a plate like structure along with cilia, along with cilia like this. So this, due to the presence of these comb plates, these organisms are also known as comb jellies. Now in this diagram, which represents pleurobrachia, which is a ctenophore, you can see these green colored structures. These green colored structures, these are comb plates. These comb plates are used for locomotion. These comb plates are used for locomotion, and since these animals are exclusively marine, locomotion means swimming. So comb plates are present and are used for swimming. Now, based on the presence or absence of tentacles, phylum Anidaria or phylum Ctenophora is divided into two classes, namely Tentaculata and Nuda. Based on the absence or presence of tentacles, there are two classes, Tentaculata and Nuda. In Tentaculata, tentacles are present, and in Nuda, tentacles are absent. In Tentaculata, we have examples such as Pleurobrachia, Cestum, which is also known as venous girdle, Hormifora, which is also known as sea walnut, and Tinoplana. In class Nuda, where tentacles are absent, we have Biro. Pleurobrachia is also known as sea gooseberry. So, phylum Cnidaria is very similar to phylum Coelenterata except for some minor differences such as absence of nidoblast and presence of comb plates. The classes are divided on the basis of presence or absence of tentacles. With this, we are finished with phylum Ctenophora. See you in next video.